Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about a very powerful tool called as Cursor, and we're going to see how to do Salesforce development in Cursor with the help of MCP. What MCP is, it is a model context protocol. We will talk more in depth about MCP in the future tutorials. Here we'll just first of all figure out what Cursor is and what it can do for us in respect to Salesforce development. So first of all, what is Cursor? What is the whole buzz going on around Cursor? So Cursor, think of it like a Visual Studio Code, but it has AI superpower. So it is basically has artificial intelligence superpower built on top of Visual Studio Code. So it can act as a code editor for you with AI powers built in it. Think of VS Code, but instead of just editing the text, it can understand your code, what in context, it can understand, okay, these are all the classes you have, these are the flows, it can understand all of that. It can help you write code, edit, debug, and refactor your code seamlessly. And all you need to do is tell what you want. Like if you wanted to create a trigger for you, it will create a trigger for you. If you wanted to write a test class for you, it will write a test class for you. So all these things, it will do it. And then when you integrate Cursor with MCP, it can deploy your code. It can actually put your code back into GitHub. It can do all those things powerfully with the help of MCP. Act like an expert developer pairing with you. So through Cursor, you will feel like there is somebody to guide you and AI to help you. The interface still looks and feels like VS Code, so it looks very similar to VS Code. You can also import all your old extensions, all your extensions from VS Code and settings into Cursor without any issue. Just with the click of button, you can import your VS Code settings, VS Code project inside of Cursor and start working on it. And Cursor will understand your whole code base, will be able to write code in respect to your existing code base. The key difference is an AI layer which is built directly into your coding. So it is going to help you while you're writing code, and it is also an AI layer which is built on top of Visual Studio Code. So this is what a Cursor is, and in the next tutorial we are going to talk about some of the benefits of using Cursor. So stay with me until then. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye. Take care.